How to use the Pro Gallery in Wix Studio. In order to do that, I have in here this blank section. Just click on this add element option or to this plus icon. Now from in there, you can see these options right here. So what you can do is you can just head over and then look for the gallery option right here. Now, once you have done that, it will show up in here, this gallery option, and then it shall be added in just a few seconds. The gallery has now been added. You can head over and then click on the gallery that you have. Click on this manage media if you want to change up the pictures that we have right here onto your gallery. Now you can just select the pictures that you want to use. For example, so from in there, you can click on this add media if you want to add more. You can head over and then edit it out to your liking. You can also click on the settings for new media in order to actually edit it out in one go. Now, alternatively, you can click onto the settings option right here as well in order to change up the layout as well as the settings for this Wix Pro gallery. You can manage your media. You can actually add the Lightroom plugin. Can put in here right here design, and you can change up the colors of the buttons, item styles, and you can also go right here to the scroll animation in order to make this much more easier to the eye. So that's how you use the Pro Gallery in Wix Studio. Hope you helped.